Thanks for visiting Blocksee today. Today we're going to go through creating a new project, which is very easy. Just drop in a wallet or smart contract address to get started. And then once we have that project live, we're going to dive into our minting panel to see how users can lazy mint an asset to place either on their site via marketplace or to airdrop that directly to a list of audience members. So if we go into our inventory tab, you can see under actions, you can now create a new NFT where you'll just upload an asset for the NFT image or metadata. And then from there, you'll just add in all the metadata description fields like title, description, hyperlinks, as well as some of the edition counts and things like that down at the bottom. And then from there, once you have a test initiated or a draft initiated, you can go ahead and hit save to go ahead and save this NFT to your inventory page in Blocksee, where now you can view multiple campaigns and work on them in any way you like. And so here we can add to a marketplace or just send to a list, or even make these token gated for exclusive members of our community.